Hello there. Today I'm going to share easy carrot halwa. Let's get started. Fry cashews and raisins in 2 tablespoons of ghee over medium heat in a wok. This is homemade organic ghee. Please check the description for the recipe. Using the same ghee, saute 2 cups of shredded carrots with 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Adding salt will increase the sweetness of this dish. Into that, add 1/2 cup of sugar. For every 1 cup of carrot, add 1/4 cup of sugar. Once you add sugar, it releases water, so no need to add any water. Just cover it and cook until the carrots are cooked soft. Cook on medium heat. Into that, add 1/2 cup of milk powder gradually. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, fried cashews and raisins, and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let it stand for 5 minutes and serve while it's hot.
See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.